Good morning everyone. So we are here again at Philippine Embassy dito sa Vientiane, Laos. Tinawagan nila ako kahapon kasi dumating na daw yung new passport ko. So ngayon kukunin ko na. So nasa loob na tayo ng Philippine Embassy. Ito yung sa loob na. Ay, nabago na. May bago na siya kasi before ito yung counter wala siya dati. Yan o yan. Wala yan dati, ngayon meron na, may bago na, proving. So ito yung loob ng ano, so dito yung ano nila, dyan sila nagmi-meeting yan. So ito si area na to is yung sa receiving area. Yan. So just waiting for it. So ayun na si Kuya, lumabas na. Siya yung nag-asikaso sa akin before. So kunin na natin. Okay na sir? Okay. Sinerox pa nila.
Ito yung bago, pacheck mo.
Okay, ito na yung bagong passport. Okay, I got my new passport. This is valid for 10 years. So yun na nga, nakuha na natin yung new passport ko. This is good for 10 years. Actually, yung na-renew ko na passport from Philippine Embassy sa Bangkok is 10 years din yun. So since wala na kasing pages, wala nang page actually, I think dalawa na lang yung natitirang page nun kaya ako nag-renew. Actually, yung expiration ng old passport ko is 2028 pa. Pero yun nga, wala nang page, so kailangan ko nang mag-renew. So another 10 years yung validity ng new passport ko. Hello guys, so we are here at the dental clinic for our dental appointment. So here we go at Lao. So yun guys, so after ng checking, actually kinausap ako ng dentist. I don't know kung ano, sinabi ko lang na I want to have my teeth cleaning and check dun sa root canal kasi nagpa-root canal ako November pa last year. So dapat every 6 months. So November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So 9 months na ngayon. So yeah. So good thing. So, and nakakapag-English kahit pa paano yung dentist. I don't know. Sana mura lang ha. There we go. Ito yung ano, yung root canal. So sabi niya i-x-ray daw muna. So this one is this is for the implant.
Yes, one by one.
Okay.
And next, we say a bleach. Can you thinking about this? Prepared.
Okay. What is the other option aside from implant? Guys, so for today's video, we are here at the fitness. Today is Sunday, so group exercise.
Okay.
pumayat na ako. So feeling ko nabawasan ako ng mga 3 pounds. Well, every Sunday yon, yung group exercise na yon is every Sunday. So every Sunday lang ako nakaka-attend nun kasi nga meron akong work ng weekdays. Hindi ko naabutan kasi ang weekdays is nag-start siya ng 6 to 7. So every Sunday ko lang siya. So every Sunday lang ako nakaka-attend ng group exercise. This is the swimming area. This is how it looks like sa gabi. Para siyang resort style, yeah? So elegant and so luxurious. Yeah. So swimming on this side. So jacuzzi area on that side. Doon sa far side. And there is also a, if you want massage, to get massage there. Yan, that's massage area. Of course, and this is the cafe area if you want to get a healthy food. Yan, this is for the pool for the kids, and there on that side, yan, jacuzzi area yon, and this is the big swimming pool. So there, and so ayun na nga, we're done with our exercise tonight. So yun, every Sunday yung group exercise na yon, yeah, nakakapagod pero relaxing siya, you know. So actually, every Sunday lang ako nakaka-attend ng group exercise kasi nga pag weekdays, meron akong work until 7 PM. So every Sunday lang ako nakaka-attend. Pag Saturday, ayaw kong umattend ng group exercise ng Saturday kasi hindi ko siya gusto kasi ano siya, parang Taibo and whatsoever. Tapos yung nagtuturo kasi, yung instructor na babae na medyo may edad na, hindi siya nakakasabay sa beat ng music. So, ang weird. Umattend ako once nung yung group exercise na yon. Ang weird. So, parang hindi siya sumasabay dun sa beat ng music. So, actually parang 20 minutes lang ako. Umalis na ako kasi nga basta ang weird. Hindi siya hindi ko gusto yung niya, yung execution niya. So, ayun. So, magsasauna ako tonight para at least gumaan-gaan yung pakiramdam. So, ayun guys. So mag-sauna muna ako. So diba, ang ganda. Dito ko lang, usually dito lang yung tambayan ko. Ito lang yung dito lang yung pinupuntahan ko pag nagre-relax ako. Hindi na ako nagmo-mall kasi nga wala namang mabibiling mga magaganda dito sa mall. Usually mga China made. Tapos walang mga branded, walang H&M, walang mga unit. Ito lang talaga yung ginagawa ko usually. Gym, ganyan, workout. So, ayun guys. So, that's it for our video for today. Please consider to like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe everyone.